Hi, this part is for the is for representing the website. I deployed my frontend using Angular on the GitHub pages. Let's check it. Here is the project and settings, and let's go to the website. Okay, here is the website, and I deployed my backend on the Heroku using Node.js and Express. So here is the website, and this is home. This is login, register, search for store API, search for review API, search for product API. And I will introduce this part afterwards. So let's use it as a visitor. So if I knew a restaurant and I would like to know when it will open and when it will close, and I could just type in the name, the names of the noodles. Here it is. We can see the address, the city, the state, the stars, and the categories and hours for this restaurant. And if we has been a city, for example, Las Vegas. Here it is. We can see the different stores, their wedding plan, their home service, always cleaning, and their staff and their address, their open hours. And I just show about 15 stores of all the stores in Las Vegas because I imported this those data from the Yelp, and the Yelp has billions of stores, and I cannot import them all because the free cluster is the storage of the free cluster is very limited, and I could just import this stores. So the Las Vegas is just an example. So let's try. We will do the search for category. Let's try fashion. It might take a while because the searching range is so big, so it might take some while. Oh, it shows there's fashion. Here it is, there's fashion and this fashion. So there are different cities, and you can see the address of them. So this is the store API. Let's try the review API. Let's try the name of the store. Let's try noodles. Noodles, here it is. About the ID of the review, the reason I put it right here because the Yelp data, you can see the business ID, and when you go to reviews, you could also see the review ID and business ID. But I didn't connect them in my database because I just import a part of them, a part of the review and a part of the business. But I connect them and make the relationship between them when you create a review about a business. I will show you afterwards. So that's just the name of the restaurant. Let's check the search for product. Let's click on it, and we can see all the product. The pork noodles for the noodles restaurant, the different types of cars for the BMW auto, and there is a supermarket. So here it is. Then I will log in as administrator, admin. So let's log in. I can say all the users. if I would like to create a user, I could just type in this data and click on the create. Next is search user by username. Let's try Alice. Alice. It should work. Oh, a new name. Oh, here it is. So you can see the data of the Alice, and I can just search update certain users. You need to type in the users you found here, the ID, and just type in here. And you could just type in the new data you would like to give this user and click on this one. Oh, this should be the update. Then you could update the users. And this is the delete users. Let's try delete users. Let's find. Ooh, let's try to delete this one. Delete user. Delete. It's right here, right? Let's refresh it. It's gone, right? It take a little while. So I just delete it, and after that I show all the users. It won't be there, right? So let's try. I will log in as a seller. I could check. This is create a stock, create product, create sub product, check business, check product, create message, show all my messages, and reply message. Let's try. Oops. Sailor. This one is my ID, and I just need to type in my ID. Here it is. Here is the received message. You can see the ID of it and the time and content. May I order online? Yes, of course. But the open time for Monday is 9 a.m. So if you want to reply message, you just need to remember its ID and just type in here, type in the ID of the message and type in the content and create. You just send a new message. So let's try to create a new store. Maybe create product. The store right here we need our store ID. Let's check it. Store ID. Let's make a new product for the supermarket. Name the eggs, a food, good food. Price 3.0. Price is 9. It's good farmer. Good farm. Right. Let's click on it. Let's check it out. We can see the eggs, a good food. It's right there, right? So let's check it out by a customer. Customer is a little bit different landing page from the seller, you know. This is create a review, see my reviews, create message, show all my messages, and reply message. Let's try show my all messages. You can say may I order online, may I book online? Yes, of course. So let's create a review. Here is my ID. I would like to let me check. I would like to make a review to this restaurant, to this supermarket. Content is not too much things, not too many products. So I will give it a star of 1. Let's create it. And let's search for review. Type in the market. Here it is. Now too many products, and the star is only 1. So let's go back to the to the store API. Sorry about that. Let's go back to the store API and search for this one. I could say the star is only 1 because this is the customer we log in is the only one who wrote a review for this store. So that's all the API I think to show this website. Because you can